Hello, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done one of these for a while. I've been struggling to kind of get everything set up and get it done. But here I am, still in the same citrus book bindery journal. Here's my 2020 cover page. I've used a bit of silver this time. There's a page for my shop and my monthly spread. Lots of silver. Went with the 2020s, I guess. And this is last week's spread. It's not finished yet. I'm going to show you how I set up my spreads. This is the Winter Wonderland kit that I'll be using this week. It's available in my shop, the yellow Bujo. I'll link it all below, and I've got some watercolours, and I'll be drawing everything out with a Staedtler Pigment liner. I use a 1.2 because I like a nice thick line. I use a pigment liner because they are waterproof, so once it's on I can then watercolour over the top of it and not worry about it smudging or being smeared anywhere else. It kind of stays exactly where I put it. So I've been using this style of spread for a while. I essentially use a Dutch door spread. I set up with kind of 3 columns on the first page. The first column is like a meal plan and a to-do list. And then the other 2 columns are for Monday and Tuesday, and I finish off the rest of the week on the second page, second part of the spread. It gives me enough space to fill in each day with enough information, as well as to kind of have a bit of room for a bit of decoration and everything. So here we are with the watercolours. I'm just going to let this one run for a minute. So I wet the pages first before I add the colour over the top. It just allows the paint to kind of move a bit freer, and you can see it's really quite wet, but the paper holds it really well. I use the 120 GSM paper from Citrus Book Bindery. It's got a really nice silky smooth texture to it, and as I said, it holds that watercolour really well. So now looking at it, I want to apologise for the state of my desk. It's actually a white desk, and then I have like a piece of yellow card over the top because the white desk underneath is pretty horrible. And now looking at it, this one is covered in mud stains as well, which doesn't look great. I'll try and get a new piece for the next video. So here we are, it's all dry, and I'm just going to stick some stickers in. I like to put the full boxes down the bottom, so then I can see how much space I've got in my columns to kind of fill in. There's my meal plan going in, and my to-do checklist. And I use little strips of kind of the headers, I guess, to make a space at the top there. So if you can hear stamping around, my daughter's up in bed, supposedly going to sleep. And that little box down at the bottom I use to kind of just sum up something that's happened in the week. And then what I do on the other page is I used to draw pictures on it, but to save time what I do is I take a couple of images from the kit and I put them together to create a big sticker that I can stick in on that page. It's a lot quicker than drawing it out would be, since I'd already drawn them anyway. And I just stick that on, and then I'll cut round that to make the Dutch door part of my spread. So here's the bottom washi going on. I tried to stick the stickers in some kind of order so it looks like they're creating a snowman. It would be perfect for a snowy week. I haven't got snow here, we've just got rain at the minute. But the whole watching TV and kind of cupping up is definitely something I'm up to for this week. Just trimming that wash off the end. And I'm just going to cut round this sticker. And I can kind of faintly see the column from underneath, so I can just use that as a guide. And at the bottom here, because I've used the washi on the other page, I just stick the little deco stickers on. And I fiddle around with these a bit to kind of get them to fit as I like. There we go, and that's it, all finished. And these are what I've got left, so I'll use these to fill out the rest of the weekly spreads. Here's a previous spread. You can see I use the boxes and everything to help me fill it out. So this is the new release for next week. It's my Valentine's kit. It's called Love Hearts, based on the sweets. There is a story behind it, and if you like Futurama, then you might kind of get it. It's to do with the I love you, with the Earth W. This is the full kit, so you get 6 full sheets, and then you get the header sheet as well. And you'll notice I've actually labelled each sheet because I'm thinking of putting this one up a la carte, so you'll be able to pick up individual sheets in the shop. And then this here is the mini kit / bullet journal kit. It's actually the kit style that I use in my spreads. It's perfect amount of stickers for what I need. So as I said, this kit will be available on Saturday. It will also be available as a Hobo Weeks kit. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!